Hey everybody, it's Alicia McPeek here. Sorry I didn't go live yesterday. I had such a crazy busy day, but it was amazing. But I thought I was going to be able to sneak it in, and then I wasn't able to. But I met a whole lot of really amazing people last night and had a whole lot of fun. So shout out to the women of the Woodlands Hills. Okay, so I want to talk about what it means to eat pro-metabolically. So when you're eating pro-metabolically, you are actually nourishing your body and you are restoring your body. You're repairing your metabolisms, your hormones, and all kinds of functions like that have probably gotten beaten up pretty bad over the years because of one thing or another. If you're like me, I've been in the wellness and fitness industry my entire life, and I have done it all. I've exercised to extremes. I have dieted, I've fasted, I've cut calories. I have done it all to extremes. And by the time you get into your 40s and 50s, this could really be affecting you on so many levels, and it can show up as all kinds of things. You might have trouble sleeping. Your thyroid might not be functioning properly. You can't lose weight easily anymore. You're very tired. Things like that are all probably some warning signs that, not to mention other things that are going to be even more metabolically damaging, like high blood pressure, diabetes, or pre-diabetes, things like that that'll start showing up. And that's going to be a problem for your metabolism. It's showing that your metabolism is not doing well. So what we want to do is eat, nourish ourselves pro-metabolically to repair all those functions. So let's talk about 3 things that you can do to make that happen. So first of all, I said it already, nourish your body. Massive amounts of nutrients from the most nutrient-dense foods possible. And one of the best foods possible is fruits and veggies for your gut health, for your microbiome to be nourished from. And that starts working from the inside out. I have a lot of videos on that you can watch. I also suggest to increase your metabolism, you actually eat more protein. Did you know that eating protein is more metabolically active, and you will burn more calories if you eat protein? So that's one thing. And then I'm going to throw one in here that I don't think you'll know. Do you know that if you lower your calories, your metabolism will lower? And if you raise your calories more than what you normally eat, your metabolism will raise? Your body is going to always try to create that set point to keep you exactly where you are. So one piece of metabolic repair may actually be eating more calories for a while than you're actually used to eating. So your body's expecting more to come in. And then when you go back down to a more normal amount, and there's a science and magic to this, you don't just want to go eat 10,000 calories. But when you do go back down to eating the normal amount for your body type, you're going to stimulate your body to actually go ahead and release some of that fat. So drop down below what you think about that. Have you tried any of these things, and how's it worked for you? Let me know. And don't forget, follow for more. And starting on Monday, we're doing the free 7-day metabolic challenge. So see you there.